Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to install OptiFine on Minecraft. Right? If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, just go ahead and open up a browser. Okay. Now go ahead and type in optifine.net. All right. Hit on enter and wait for the page to load. Now once it loads, go to the top and click on downloads. Right here, you gotta find the latest version. If you do need previous versions, you gotta click on show all. Okay. I'm just going to click on the preview version right here for this latest release, like so. And then I'm going to go ahead and click on the latest release here as well. Okay, hit on download. Wait for it. As you can see here, we have a advertisement page. So you'll be able to see a countdown right here. Just wait for it until the skip button right here pops up. Just click on it. Now click on download right here. Save it wherever you want. I'm going to go ahead and save it on my desktop. Save. Wait for the download process to finish. Okay, it's done. So you can now go ahead and minimize this one or close it entirely. Here we have the OptiFine. Okay, if you don't want the preview, you can go ahead and go back to the same set of pages, downloads right here, and just click on the download right here, which is a full release. Okay, now going back, just close this browser, double click on OptiFine. Now when you click on install right here, and you do get a ton of errors like Java something, jar something. Okay, just close this one. Now go ahead and open up a browser. Now go to java.com, hit on enter, and here just click on download Java for desktops. Again, Java for desktops. Okay, save it wherever you want, hit on save, wait for download process to finish, open it up directly from your browser, hit on yes right here, close the browser, and then just click on install follow simple prompts. And once done, go ahead and restart your computer. Okay. Once you're done restarting, you can now go ahead and delete this Java installer. Now double click on OptiFine again, hit on install. And as you can see here, it says cannot find Minecraft 1.21.8 because your Minecraft launcher didn't open up the version that it needs right here. So go ahead and open up the Minecraft launcher. And in here, go to Java Edition. Just click on the drop down right here. If you bought the game or if you bought Minecraft, you'll be able to find it drop down right here. Just click on it and find the version that it needs right here. Okay. It will be named right here, latest release 1.21.8. Okay. Just close this one. So once it's selected right here, just click on play. Wait for the game to open, and once it's opened, close it. Okay, close the game again, click on install, wait for the process to finish. There will be a quick prompt that says installation is done. Just click on OK. Now you can go ahead and close this one, open up Minecraft launcher once more. Okay, launch the game, and everything should work perfectly fine now. That's how you install OptiFine on Minecraft. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.